Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to create a trial user, sign in, and add demo data. First, you will go to Scopito.com, and in the upper right menu, you will press Login. This will take you to the login screen, where you will click Sign Up to set up your new user account. In this screen, you will enter your user details, beginning with your first and last name. Then you will enter your company name, followed by your phone number, and finally, your email address. You will need to click the Terms of Use checkbox, acknowledging that you have read the Terms of Use, which is available by clicking the Terms of Use link. While it is an option, it is recommended that you subscribe to the occasional emails that will keep you up to date on any updates to the software platform, and then press Sign Up. At this point, you will be logged into the system immediately, and you will also receive a confirmation email along with your login credentials for future logins. You will also be able to create a custom password as well. And now, you have successfully established your 14-day free trial account where you can either look at demo data or upload your own data. A trial account can be converted to a paying account by adding a credit card. If you have an existing account you wish to add a user to, follow the instructions in this video. To view demo data, just click on the Add Demo, and you can select from any of our demo data sets to experiment with the software, make annotations, and create a sample report. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to create an inspection and upload your inspection data. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.